Now today's ham roll-up bento is awesome because it's finger food size and kids love it. It's super easy to pack and quick to eat. Hey, welcome to MOMables. If you're new or if you've been around for years, I'm Laura and I am so excited that you're here. This entire month, I'm gonna be showcasing quick, no-cook, back-to-school bento ideas that you can whip up in about 5 minutes. And I'm also sharing with you the tricks of keeping those packed lunches fresh until lunchtime. So make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the bell so you'll be the first to know when I share the other lunch ideas. Let's make the ham roll-ups first. I have a simple tortilla right here. I'm gonna place it on my board. You can spread mayo or hummus on the tortilla, but my son doesn't like it, so we're not gonna do that today. And now I just take some ham slices and I'm gonna place it right on top of my tortilla. And beginning on one end, I'm going to roll it up really tight, making sure you can tuck in that ham as you roll it up. And with a sharp knife, I'm going to slice this in half and then into bite-sized pieces. These are gonna go in one compartment of this bento box. Now, no matter which bento container you use, the idea is to keep all the foods separate so nothing gets soggy and it stays fresh until lunch. I have some carrot chips that I'm gonna place on this other compartment. You can also use baby carrots or any other veggie. That is the best part of bentos, is being able to come up with new lunch ideas real quick. Now, if packing lunches is a struggle, I also have this free printable lunchbox builder for you in the description box that's gonna help you build quick lunches by mix and matching the ingredients that you already have on hand. I'm gonna slice up some fresh strawberries and add these into my bento. And along with the strawberries, I'm gonna pack up some green apple slices. Now, I know a lot of people wonder, how do you keep apples from browning? So I have an entire video that I'll link below for you. And the other solution, if that is a concern, is to buy pre-sliced apples. Those definitely don't brown in your lunch. Now, all I have to do is place my lid right on top of this bento box, and it's great that you can pack it the night before, place it in the refrigerator, and in the morning, all you have to do is take it out of the fridge, grab an ice pack, place that in the lunch bag if that's needed, as well as the bento plus a drink, zip it up, and this lunch is ready to go. But wait, there's more. Make sure to watch this next bento that's also a breeze to pack. See you next time.